Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will understand how you can create an invoice template using Deskera books. Now that we have already seen how you can create sales quotations, sales invoices, let's see how you can design them. Let's go to Sell. Let's create a new invoice. Let's add a contact. Let's add a product. Let's also enable some custom fields. Let's click on Save. Let's select the value for these. Let's save this invoice. Now once the invoice has been saved, just click on the invoice, click on More and Design. Now this will open up the online document generator in a new tab. On this screen, you can first choose from one of the various templates that we have provided over here. Let's go with the default one. You can choose the title. Let's call it tax invoice. You can select the paper format, the theme color. You can choose a logo. You can browse and upload your own logo. The various options that you see on the left hand side also have a hide option. So in case you want to hide any of these options, you can show or hide them. So let's click on show for ship to, because we want to also show the ship to address. You can choose what is the currency that you want to print. So let's select INR. Let's also click on show. So the currency starts showing up. In case you want to manually type, you can also do that. Number of decimal points that you want, and the other options. So you can also show the signature. You can upload the signature file that is printed at the bottom. The next thing that we'll look at is how you can change the headings of this table. Let's click on Edit. Now you will notice there are various fields. Whatever field you want to print, simply check mark that field. Let's change the heading from services to products. In case you want to type, select on other and you can start typing as well. Let's see how that happens. So this way you can type out your own headers. You can choose the column that you want to print. As I had mentioned previously, you can also choose to print amount in words. Let's click on Save. You will notice the headers have been changed. Let's click on Add. So you can add various components. This includes image, text, signature, or watermark. So in case you want to add a new text or an image, you can choose to do that. Now this is the custom field section. In case you want to select the custom fields that you want to show on this invoice template, you can simply click on this section. You can check mark the ones that you want to print. So let's select brand, category. Let's click on Save. So you will notice all the custom fields are now getting printed. Let's click on this. Let's disable all of these. You will notice none of the custom fields are getting printed. In order to get them back, simply click on Add Component, select Custom Field, and you will be able to add them back. Let's select them again. And let's save this. You can create multiple templates as well. On the top side, you will see there's an option of Save or Save As. So in case you want to save the existing template, simply click on Save. If you want to create a new template, click on Save As and type in the new template name. Let's click on Save. the template has been saved. We can close this. Let's go back to the invoice. Let's click on print. On the print, the new invoice template that we had just created is also highlighted. You can select this. You can take a printout for this. In addition to that, when you click on email, you again have the option to choose which design template do you want to add as an attachment for this email. Simply click on drop down over here, select the template. You can see a quick preview. If you're okay with this, you can simply click on send. Now, another point to note is whichever template you use for either print or attaching in the email is also stored by our system. So the next time you create an invoice for the same contact, the system will auto select the previous template that you had selected, both for print and email. So this way you can design multiple invoice templates using Deskera Online Document Designer. You can print them and also email them.